Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. On February 17th, 2026, the cosmos is putting on a spectacular show, and you don't need to be in Antarctica to get a ticket, while a stunning ring of fire annular eclipse will trace a path across the icy continent. A massive part of the southern hemisphere will get to see a dramatic partial solar eclipse. So, where can you see it? This incredible event will be visible across the southern tip of South America, including parts of Argentina and Chile. It will also sweep across southern Africa, giving countries like South Africa and Namibia a front row seat. And, of course, almost all of Antarctica will witness the moon take a bite out of the sun. Even if you're not in the direct path of the annular eclipse, what you'll see is still absolutely breathtaking. So, what exactly is a partial solar eclipse? It's when the moon passes between the sun and Earth, but they aren't perfectly aligned. From our perspective, the moon only covers a part of the sun's disk. The amount of the sun that gets covered really depends on your location. The closer you are to the path of annularity in Antarctica, the larger the portion of the sun that will be obscured. For some, it might be a small sliver, while for others, the sun will look like a giant crescent hanging in the sky. Imagine this: as the eclipse progresses, the world around you starts to change. The quality of the light becomes strange, almost silvery and ethereal. It's not like a normal sunset. It's something entirely different. Look at the shadows on the ground. They become unusually sharp and well-defined. If you're near a leafy tree, you might even see tiny crescent-shaped projections of the sun filtering through the leaves, creating a natural pinhole camera effect all around you. It's a subtle, yet profound reminder that the celestial mechanics above are shifting our reality, even if just for a little while. But how do astronomers predict these events with such incredible accuracy? It all comes down to a cosmic dance of orbital mechanics. We know the precise orbits of the Earth around the Sun and the Moon around the Earth by calculating their future positions. Scientists can map out exactly where the moon's shadow, known as the umbra and penumbra, will fall on our planet. The darkest part of the shadow, the umbra, is what creates a total or annular eclipse. It sweeps across the Earth in a relatively narrow band, often just a couple hundred kilometers wide. If you're inside this path, you see the main event. The lighter, much larger shadow is the penumbra. Anyone within this penumbral zone will experience a partial eclipse. This is why being just a few hundred kilometers away can mean the difference between seeing a fire and seeing a crescent sun. The 2026 event is a perfect example. With the main show in Antarctica and the partial show for millions across two other continents. Now, a crucial reminder: never look directly at the sun during any phase of a partial eclipse without proper eye protection. Regular sunglasses are not safe. You need certified solar eclipse glasses or a solar viewer. Another great way to watch is by projecting the sun's image onto a surface using a pinhole projector, binoculars, or a telescope. Safety is the #1 priority when it comes to enjoying these amazing astronomical events. So, while the headlines might focus on the Antarctic Ring of Fire, the partial eclipse of February 17th, 2026, is an accessible and awe-inspiring event for a huge part of the world. It's a chance to connect with the cosmos and witness the grand, predictable clockwork of our solar system in action. I have a question for you all. If you could travel anywhere to see this eclipse, where would you go? Would you brave the cold of Antarctica for the perfect ring, or would you enjoy the partial view from the beautiful landscapes of South America or Africa? Let me know your dream eclipse trip in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into the cosmos, please give this video a thumbs up and make sure you resubscribed so you don't miss our next adventure. See you in the next one.